Hi everybody, welcome to Off Our Needles.
I'm Tracie.
I'm Jodi. Let's start again.
Okay. I thought you were going to say you were Jodi.
Oh yes, I should have. I did say I'm Jodi.
No, you didn't.
I didn't?
Not out loud.
Okay. Hi everybody, welcome to Off Our Needles. I'm Jodi.
I'm Tracie, and today we're talking all about knit and crochet for your home.
Do you knit home decor projects or do you crochet?
Well, I've only ever done one crochet project, and it was really cute little baskets for my bathroom at home. So I love the crochet for the home.
I've only crocheted home decor, and I also feel like for me it's the best because you get that sturdy stitch because you're using so much more yarn for every stitch.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You can do things like Afghans and pillows and placemats and washcloths, even hot pads for the kitchen.
And poufs.
Well, let's talk some more.
So a couple of things we wanted to show you is what you can crochet for the home. And for me, this is the perfect crocheted, thick, chunky rug. I would put it in front of my sink.
I agree. I feel like these things will last a long time.
Yeah.
Why? Crochet uses so much yarn and it creates a really dense fabric when you use chunky fabrics like this.
Yeah.
I love this. I don't even crochet and I want to make this.
The only thing I would recommend is putting maybe a little double stick carpet tape, because let me tell you, you will go flying, right? And this, I mean, this looks a little chunky right now. You know, you could either choose to go up a needle size when you knit something like this when it has a pattern, or, you know, it's gonna naturally just sort of flatten out as you walk on it.
And you don't have to worry about things fitting. That's one of the things I love about knitting or crocheting for your home. You can be flexible on your hook or needle size and the yarns you want to use. You can adapt them and have great results.
My first crochet home project was a type of basket like this.
Me too.
It was so addictive that I crocheted in so many sizes, and I have them really all around my house.
It's fantastic. I mean, these are very simple but super showy and very versatile. People love using them in the bathroom, in the bedroom, and you can have yarn storage with them. And they're very repetitive and generally a really simple stitch. You make it as tall as you want or as big of a circumference as you want. You can make a million of these.
Once you have one pattern, you can stop increasing and make a smaller basket. And then once you get up the size, you know, it's up to you how tall you make it.
It's true. A tiny little crocheted basket was my first crochet project, and it was an awesome first project.
I have Q-tips and cotton balls in small little ones in the bathroom. And then in the kitchen, I have, you know, it's sort of like a catch-all, right? I have key or whatever is on the counter that I don't want to see. I sort of toss in my little basket.
And one full of chocolate, of course.
Yes, always chocolate. We have one other thing to show you.
It's a doozy.
Poufs.
What?
The poof.
The poof. The knit poof, the crochet poof, any way you want to go. I love a poof.
It can just sort of sit in the corner and look adorable.
Yes.
Or you can actually use it, you know, put your feet on in front of the couch.
It's true. And I mean, this one is knitted and you're using a variegated yarn and just slipping stitches. It looks really complicated with color work. It's not. It's just lots of yarn, but it's not a difficult technique, which I love. And it really is just showy. You don't have to use it.
Yeah. And then this one is a crocheted version using 2 different colors. It just starts out sturdier with the fabric that you make, and then I would just stuff it really, really tight. And what would you stuff it with?
Well, there's all kinds of things. Like you could use IKEA beanbag chairs or a duvet that maybe you don't love anymore or doesn't fit your bed anymore. Just shove it in one of these.
Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea. Because you know what? Fiber fill, if you don't use enough, it can be really soft. And that may be the look you're after. Yeah. But if you want it sturdier, you know, just stuff it.
You can use all kinds of things. Like how about those jeans in the back of my closet that are gonna fit one day?
Yeah.
Shove them in here.
Or all those stuffies we bought for our kids.
And they never played with?
Oh my gosh.
Or how about that never-ending pile of laundry? Who wants to do it? Just shove it in your poof.
Can you imagine?
No.
Or chocolate.
Lots and lots of chocolate. How about all that yarn that you never admit to buying? You could shove it in here and it'll be your secret stash.
Absolutely. And all those single socks.
All those single socks.
Oh my God.
So there's lots of ways to stuff it, but you know, you're gonna use more stuffing than you think. So get a lot of whatever you're gonna get. And I think the denser and more sturdy these are, the more life you're gonna get out of it in the long run.
And let me just give you a little tip on this. I mean, you can only stuff a knitted poof so much before the stitches really start to bulge and you're gonna maybe start seeing the stuffing.
So true.
This baby, you can stuff this a lot because the fabric is so dense and so thick that you can stuff it so full of fiber fill and become a really firm poof.
Yeah.
That I think overall, for me, you're gonna get a better poof with a crochet.
I love it. Actually, I'm mostly a knitter. I don't really crochet, and I would go for the crochet poof myself.
Super easy, you guys. It's the same stitch, just around and around for this whole entire thing.
I think we should start a poof revolution.
I do too.
We should all be crocheting poofs. So we loved exploring knit and crochet for the home today, and if you guys want even more options, click that link down in the description box below and you'll find a gallery of all kinds of inspiration.
Don't forget to like and subscribe,
Yeah.
and we love to hear what you're knitting for the home or crocheting for the home.
Absolutely. We will see you guys again next time on Off Our Needles. Bye.